Welcome to SoftReviewed. In this video, we are going to take a look at Pictory. This is an amazing software that can do complete video automation for you. As you can see, it can do a lot of things. It can create captions automatically. It can create a video from your blog post. You can just give it a script. It can convert it into video, and a lot of functionalities are built with the software. And as you can see, the traffic is really skyrocketing with this website, and a lot of people are using it, and they're actually making money. That's why the traffic is going up, and it's about to hit 3 million visits per month. So in order to start using it, you can just use the link in the description to sign up for a free account. And you don't need a credit card. Once you log in, this is the dashboard that you can see. First, we'll be converting a script to video. For that, I am using ChatGPT and will be pasting the created script here, and we'll have to give it a name. So that's the first process. You need a script in order to convert it into video. Here, you also have some scene settings where you can auto-highlight keywords, and the visuals can be selected automatically, and the new scenes can be created by pressing on full stop or by pressing on enter. You can select your preferred method here. For me, I will be selecting both so that it'll give me more options to play with. And let's look at the other options we have on the right corner. We have the character length, and on the left corner spell checking is enabled. And this highlight function is to actually guide the AI to get us the most relevant visuals for our script. So we are just highlighting the keyword that AI can look for when it's going for the videos in the stock media library. Templates, in the sense, this is how our captions, or like subtitles, will look like. If you select this particular template in My Template area, this is where we set our own branding and template size and colors and things like that. For this example, I will select this template and will select the aspect ratio as 16:9 so that we can use it for YouTube and other social media. So once that's selected, it's preparing our video and the script is ready. This is where all the magic happened. It converted our long script into small scenes and found the correct relevant video for the scene as well. As you can see, there is like a small link icon there. If you want to use the same visual, clip across multiple scenes. Now you can simply link the scene together with the click of that link button. Now, when I clicked it, the 8th and 9th scene are similar, so that's the functionality of this link icon. So if you want to share similar scene for different caption, you can use this. Now we will look into another functionality called splice scenes, where we can use this functionality. If the text is too long, we can just put the cursor there and just click on splice scene. Then it'll create a new scene from that sentence. Now let's look at how to actually edit the text that we see in the screen. For that, you can do it directly. You can adjust the font size, and you can just drag and drop it anywhere you like. You have all the customization options. Once you click, and you can start editing the text, and you can change the font if you like. There are like different fonts to choose from. You can select the one you like and you can bold it. You can actually capitalize everything. You can convert the first letter to capital and so much more. You can also play around with the text colors. You can change the background color, you can change the highlight color, and you can add text shadows. You can adjust the text width and change to full width. As you can see, it changes to full width, and you can also adjust the text width just like that. Also, using the slider. And those are some of the options. You have the adjustment grid. Wherever you click, you can place the text like that. If you want, you can adjust the animation of the text entry from lots of different animation styles. As you can see, now it's in that animation style, and you can apply to a particular scene, or it can be applied to all the scenes, so you have that option as well. So you don't have to go and edit every single scene to actually make the changes to all the scene. So that's a neat feature and time saver. And you also can drag and drop the scene. That's why both are selected. If you just unlink it, you can select this as single one. And now they have added new elements like text stickers as well. This is a new addition to the Pictory software. So you have a collection of stickers, and you can delete it and add other GIF images as well. It's directly integrated to the Jiffy website, and you can add emojis of different styles as well. You just need to click on the particular image or emoji and it'll directly come on screen, and you can just delete it just like that. Now, let's look at some of the background music available with Pictory. Once you find something you like, you can just click on Apply, and that will apply that entire music background to the videos that you selected. Please note that the background volume will go to 10% if you select a voiceover.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
Welcome to Pictory.
Welcome to Pictory.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
When you click on Apply, your script will be automatically converted to voice. You also have the option to upload your own voiceover. Once it's uploaded, you will get two options: select it for the current scene or for the entire video. Once you select entire video, it's auto-synchronized throughout the video. And it also asks whether the voice has like intro and outro. Select the option that fit your needs and just click on proceed and wait till the voice synchronization is over. Then it'll give you a preview. Most of the time it'll synchronize everything correctly. But if you still want to change the text to the video, you can do that. You just need to exit the preview from clicking on that cross icon, and you can just click on the Add Voiceover button. Now, it has many options there. That is the voiceover. When you click on it, you have the option to add just the voiceover to match the text on the screen. You can just adjust it like this and see the preview instantly. So, once you are okay, you can just close it. For this, I am just going to remove it. When you click on audio settings, you will see that background music is set to 10% automatically. That's also a neat feature, and you can also adjust the volume like you want. This is another important feature with Pictory. You can set your brand intro and outro here, and this is where you add your branding. You can add this once and you can use it every time when you produce a new video. As you can see, you can adjust the logo size, you can adjust the logo opacity, and you have full complete control over the settings here. As seen in the previous section, you can add all sorts of animations and customization here. Why is this important is like with this area you can select as many templates as you want. So if you are like having different clients, and if you want to set different intros and outros for your clients, you can do this all from here. You can set intros and outros just like this, and you can use it for your different clients without having to manually do that again and again. So it's only a one-time process, and it helps you like stay up to date with your brand all the time. So you can also change the style. This is your templates library. Here you can adjust how the text looks, how the intro and outro looks for all of your clients. And now, I can just click on that button and duplicate the templates as well. And that's branding. And this is the really important part. That's the style section where you keep your styles consistently throughout the video, and in the format section, you can also adjust whether the output is 720 or 1080. You can also use the compress feature there by toggling the button. That will compress the video size, but will take more time to process. Now let's look at how to change the size of the text on the video. Just click on it and change the size. And if you want to apply this to the whole video, you can do that as well by just clicking on the Apply to All button on top there. As you can see, the sizes is applied to the whole scenes. And if you are unhappy with the initial video that Pictory picked for you, you can always go and swap the video with your selection, just like that. As you can see now, it's a related YouTube video, and once you are happy, you can always click on Preview and it'll generate a preview for you. And once that's ready, you can just preview the video.
Welcome to Soft Review D. There are several ways to make money on YouTube. Sponsored content. You can also earn money through sponsored content, where a brand pays you to create a video that promotes their products or services. Ad revenue. You can earn money through advertisements shown on your videos. YouTube will place ads on your videos, and you'll earn a portion of the revenue from each ad that plays.
Once the video is generated, you will not see this watermark of Storyblocks, and you have also 3 options to download the video directly, or you can use a spreadsheet for making it to different posts for mass upload. Especially useful when creating highlight videos. And you can use Hootsuite, which is a social media management platform to send out videos to all your social medias. That makes your video distribution so much easier. Don't forget to watch part 2. It will be in the end cards. If you want to check Pictory out, I'll include a link in the description, along with the discount code. And if you liked it, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.